MobileTechTalk's coverage of IFA 2018 is made possible by Huawei. For more information of the products Huawei announced at IFA 2018, check the link in the video description. Hello guys, it's Craig from MobileTechTalk and we're on the show floor at the Huawei booth again. And this, I'm hoping you can see this, this is the Honor Play that was announced yesterday. Well, it's been announced before that, but it was announced in Asia and now it's been announced for Europe. So what is the Honor Play? What makes it play? Can you see that nice little etch in there? The nice little circuitry, that's lovely. So what really makes it is the fact that it's a Kirin 970 chip with GPU turbo, but it's the 6.3 inch, almost bezel-less display that makes it perfect for gaming. So what else does it have going for it? Well, it's on the back, it's got a dual camera system, 60 megapixel dual cameras. It's got a fingerprint sensor where it should be. Everybody else take note, that's exactly where it should be. A 3750 milliamp hour battery, which is probably going to be enough, but yeah, throw 4000 in there next time on it. And all the usual bells and whistles. You've got the nice little curvature around the edges here. And come on, it's got to be worth it just for that etching, right? Look at that etching. There's a black version as well. But hopefully we'll see this on the shelves soon in your stores, because Honor are normally quite good at dealing with the likes of 3 and putting things out there. And it's just been a quick and dirty look at the Honor Play. And yeah, why would you not want to play with that? It's gorgeous.